Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 10 ways Meta AI on WhatsApp can save your time. So the WhatsApp Meta AI is a service from Meta that use artificial intelligence to help you with various tasks within the WhatsApp app. So it can answer questions, provide suggestion, and even engage with you in a casual conversations. So here I've already on the Meta AI on my WhatsApp. If you want to access it, you can just simply click on this button in here on your WhatsApp application, and let's just start by the first way to help you to use Meta AI that will help you save your time. So the first one is you can answer Meta AI for quick answers. So instead of using the web, you can just use this on WhatsApp. So it will save your time. So for example, you can just ask them what's the weather for tomorrow. You can do that. Okay, click on send and just wait until the Meta AI respond. Okay, you can provide I am in Jakarta. Okay, so this is the result. And the second way is it will also help you to create instant image. You can generate visual or graphics with just a text description. So for example, uh, generate an image of a cool yellow car. Okay, you can just do that. For example, let's just wait until the result came out. So if you need anything, for example, you need an image, you can just use this. And if you want to save it, you can just click on the image and then tap on the three dots icon and click on save. Okay, the third ways is that you can do message summarization. So no need to scroll through the long group chats. The Meta AI can also summarize conversations to highlight the key points. For example, you can just ask them, what's the summary of today's meeting in this group? You can just mention the name of your group on the WhatsApp app. And the next one is you can personalize replay. So the you can use the AI generated responses to reply faster in personal or your professional chats. For example, you can just write this. So when a friend, for example, when a friend asks about weekend plans, you can just write something, tell them what. You can just write it in here. And then the next one is you can also do automated reminders and scheduling. You can ask the Meta AI to set reminders or schedule meeting directly within WhatsApp. And the next one, the sixth one, is you can use the Meta AI to draft text for emails, caption, or even poems. So for example, write briefly caption for a sunrise photo. Okay, you can do that. And the Meta AI will give you some tips, some suggestion of the one that you're asking. And the next one, you can also do language translation and writing assistant. You can translate message instantly in here using the WhatsApp. So for example, translate uh, the word happy birthday into Indonesian, for example. Just tap on send. Okay, so this is the result. And the next one, you can also do task automation in group chat. So you can use AI to assign tasks or manage group responsibility especially. So you can just open your group, and for example, you can just write the prompt, make a to-do list based on our group discussion. You can do that. The next one is instant information retrieval. You can use this Meta AI to fetch information like definitions, recipes, or quick stats. For example, you can ask them how many calories in an apple, for example. You can send them. Okay, you can see it will give you the data. And the last one, it will also, if you are a small business owner, it will help you to generate promotional content, customer responses, or newsletter. For example, you would just need to create uh, an excellent product description for handmade keychain. Okay, you can do that, and the result will show up. And so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you so much for watching. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up icon, and don't forget to click on thanks, subscribe, and leave a comment if you still have questions. Bye.